This is a bit of a sneak peek for what you can expect to see on a Frankston street art tour. There's over 30 different walls for you to come and see, each with their own story, artist, and background. So come with me today, and I'm going to show you some of my favorites. Hey, my name's Gus, and welcome to a Frankston street art tour. This is our first piece by the artist Smug. It's actually untitled and unfinished. It was meant to put 3 bluebirds there, but I reckon it just looks good with just the one. The piece actually represents what it means when we take off our skin, who we are, or all our beliefs. We're all the same on the inside. And the bird is hope for the future. You can sort of see that the skeleton is smiling at the bird. So that was Smug. Let's go have a look at the next one. This is the second piece that we'll be seeing today, done by the artists at Melbourne's Murals. It's called All the Green Year. It's based off the book by Don Charwood called All the Green Year. This piece depicts Don Charwood reading his book with his black lab, and in the far back right is Frankston Primary School. In Don Charwood's book, All the Green Years, it talks about how him and his friends used to ride down Davy Street on the back of a camel to the fair. In the middle, you'll see Sweetwater Creek, and to the far right is actually Oliver's Hill. Next mural is done by the Spanish duo Pidgeotto. It's a sort of Greek sculpture overlaid with contemporary graffiti style. Pidgeotto came down for the Big Picture Fest for 2020. We're extremely lucky to have them on board, as they're really well-known street artists, and they've absolutely blown us away with this piece. This final piece is done by the artists at Melbourne's Murals once again. It's called Frankston's Flower Girl. This was a collaboration between Bayside Centre, Vicinity Centres, the Bunurong Land Council, and Melbourne's Murals. This one is the biggest piece that we have. It's 15 metres by 15 metres. The piece was unveiled for the 2019 Reconciliation Week. The Bunurong Land Council had elders perform a smoking ceremony for the piece's unveiling. That's our final piece, Frankston's Flower Girl. Thanks for joining me on a Frankston street art tour. What was your favourite? For more information, go to the web link below. Thanks.